Yeah, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I should already know I can record 10 minutes at the most, so hence the video ending just now. But I'll just continue. I Yeah, most of these guys. I mean, if you're that experienced and you're that skilled, you're a Grand Magister, Ordo Templi, whatnot, blah blah, fucking blah. Then where are results? Okay, I side completely with occult skeptics on this one. I mean, that's why, believe me, if you really want to offend an occultist and you want to step on his toes, just ask him. Just tell him, if you're so powerful, then why aren't you rich? You're still a worthless loser. What where is your talent? Where are the fruits of your labor? If you can communicate with angels and demons, why aren't they making you rich? Why? You've got nothing. You're still a shoe salesman, you're this, you're that, or something. You're still working in a grocery store. What the fuck are you? And yeah, they'll really get offended because it's true. It's partially true. They have nothing to show for their skills. I'm obviously not like these occultists, okay? And that's why I steer clear of them. I want nothing to do with them whatsoever. Nothing to do with them whatsoever, okay? You've got obvious skilled people like me, they're okay. But those are only one in like what? 1 in 200, 1 in 500 occultists. The rest are literally worth less than nothing. They are sad, pathetic, worthless losers, and they have nothing to show for their skill. I don't care who thinks I'm insulting them. I don't care who thinks I'm arrogant. I don't care. You should see most of these guys. I mean, that's why I always go like, the second I see some message about, hey, some occultist got robbed, he is known as such by such, he goes by such so and so, such and such a name on some forum, and he is now struggling because he has literally no money to pay his bills. So we started this GoFundMe page for him. If just donate a couple of dollars if you can, to see to it that he can only eat and drink for the month and pay his rent. Again, they literally remind me of beggars and panhandlers just doing this. Please, a dollar, if it's not too much to spare, just a dollar. I mean, seriously, the occult in itself is divine, but the practitioners or the wannabe practitioners, these guys are total sacks of shit. They have nothing, they have little to nothing to show for their alleged skill. And these guys are the guys, ironically, these are the guys that manage and moderate most of online occult forums. It just sums up what the occult community is like. That the occult community is like one gigantic piece of shit. Like one gigantic fucking black hole, just like mankind's stupidity, like I said earlier. And they have nothing to show for it. And needless to say, okay, I did the same thing when I was a beginner. I was very active in forums and groups. But the second I gained the experience and the insight and the knowledge and saw that this is a waste of time, and all of these guys are literally worthless, those pagans and everything. These guys are nothing but a headache, nothing but pain and misery. I immediately broke off contact with all of them, literally all of them. I think the amount of occult friends that I have, or people that I talk about with the occult, or that I discuss the occult with, or you can count them on less than one hand. I think only one or two. I don't have time for that, and boy do they have bad manners. I've broken off contact with a few occult friends just because of this. Bad manners, okay? You name it, all kinds of, there are so many things wrong with them. Most of them are delusional, they are neurotic, they are everything, okay? With all due respect, I myself am neurotic, but I don't turn it into other people's burdens. I openly broke off contact with people that way, other occultists. I think in the past couple of months I've broken off contact with 2 occultists, and I openly told them I want nothing to do with you. Why? Because you're a sack of shit. This is the reason, so on. And they were like, okay. I openly told them, and it's the same deal as customers, okay? I mean, bad manners, covering the topic of bad manners. There's nothing that will make a worse impression on me, or there is very little that will make such a bad impression on me as not living up to your word, not keeping your word. I mean, let's just say you're a customer. You order, okay? You tell me you're going to order tomorrow, okay? I'm like, okay, fine. Tomorrow passes, you're not ordering. The day after, I just sent you a message, hi, what happened? You said that you were going to order. You don't answer me. You're only answering me after a day or something like that. And you're like, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm still busy, this and this and that and that. Nothing makes a worse impression on me like that. This is one of the worst impressions that you can make on me, because what it tells me is that you're unreliable. Is that your word doesn't mean jack shit. Your word doesn't mean anything. Okay, I can't trust you with anything. Basically, I can toss everything that you're saying into the wind, because I'm like, yeah, you're just talking out of his ass. Just ignore him. He's literally just talking out of his ass, and his words are farts. It doesn't mean anything. How do you expect anybody to respect you if you don't keep your word? What is so difficult about just notifying me, hey, unfortunately some stuff came up, I won't be able to order, but I'll notify you as soon as I can, as soon as I am really able to order. It's that simple. But no, you just evade me. You try to evade me because you're struggling or whatnot. If you don't have the money, or you don't got the cash, then openly say so. This is business we're doing. You're under no obligation. But don't tell me that you're going to order and have a big mouth about how you're going to do this and that, and then you're barely even able to come close to keeping your word. And this is the kind of garbage that I'm referring to, okay? I'm done with you. I'm openly done with you. I'm like, I'm done with you. We're done here. Don't ask me anything anymore. I have turned down customers in the past. Openly told them, listen, I don't want to help you anymore. We're done here. Get lost. Get out of my sight. Or either if you talk way too much, you start asking me 20,000 questions, acting as if you're going to buy me out, as if you're going to buy every order that I can possibly provide for you, or every service, and then not even being able to do so. Nah. Or some of them are so delusional that they actually think that they're entitled to being helped for free. And they're legitimately asking me, why don't you do it for free? And I'm like, seriously, is that a legitimate question? You're asking me why I am not doing something of such an importance, something that's this important, something of such a sheer severity, why I'm not doing something like that for free. That's a good one. Why don't I give you a Mercedes-Benz car for free? How about take an Audi? Take any Audi, choose any Audi you want, take a BMW, name it. Why won't I give you stuff as long as I'm at it? Why don't I just give you everything I have, even the clothes on my back? I mean, their logic is horrendously flawed, and yeah, they're a bunch of nutcases. I'm talking about a good deal of nutcases. Their head is not screwed on at all. Oh, there are a bunch of gears missing in their brains. But yeah, in any case, that is it. This isn't me ranting, okay? I'm just expressing myself and speaking my mind is all. I mean, most of these guys, God, they're an insult to everything I am and I stand for. They're an insult to my practice. They're so horrendously stupid. This is why I want nothing to do with them. I want nothing to do with them. I would much rather engage with normal, mundane people than with an occultist, honestly. I only discuss the occult for 90%, for the majority, out of business purposes. Whenever a customer wants something, that's all that I do. I just explain to the customer in detail in a short, detailed version, what I'm going to do and so on. That is it. But for the rest, I want no discussions on any stupid topic whatsoever, with zero practical value and with zero efficiency. No.